Hello, welcome. In this section, we will discuss about managing agile projects. Under managing agile projects, there are two important sections that we will be focusing on. They are agile matrices and reporting and agile risk management. In this lecture, we will focus on agile matrices and reporting. Under agile matrices and reporting, there are three important matrices that we will consider. One is velocity, another one is burn down chart, another one is burn up charts. These are under agile matrices and reporting. In this lecture, particularly we will focus on agile velocity. We will understand what exactly velocity means in agile. Let us discuss in detail about velocity. Velocity is about measuring team's speed. The speed here is measured in story points. For example, distance you are measuring in kilometer. Vehicle speed is measured in kilometer per hour. Like that, here team speed in agile project is measured in story points. Imagine you have 2 weeks of time to complete set of tasks. Your completed story point is 20, then your speed is considered as 20 story points. Velocity is a measure of how much work a team can complete in a given time period. It is usually a sprint of 1 to 2 weeks of time. It is typically measured in story points and it gives an idea of team's average capacity. Let us understand velocity with a real life scenario. Imagine you are moving from house 1 to house 2. On day 1 you are moving 20 boxes and in day 2 you are moving 22 boxes, and imagine in day 3 you are moving 18 boxes. It means your average velocity is 20 plus 22 plus 18 divided by 3, which is equal to 20. Similarly, let us say in sprint 1 you are completing 20 story points, sprint 2 you have completed 22 story points, and sprint 3 you have completed 18 story points. In that case as well, your average velocity of the team is 20 plus 22 plus 18 divided by 3, which is equal to 20. Means average is considered here, velocity. It gives an idea of how much task a team is able to handle in a given time period. Time period is generally a time period of a sprint, which is generally between 1 to 4 weeks of time. Let us understand what is the use of this velocity, the use case. It will help in planning your future sprint. For example, if a team's average velocity is 20 story points in the last 3 sprints, then team can plan their next sprint around this story points. Means you can plan to complete around 20 story points in the coming sprint, so that you do not overcommit and under deliver in the coming sprint. Based on the average velocity of team in the last few sprints, you can plan the coming sprint as well properly. So this is about velocity, which means how much work team is able to complete in a given time period. Thank you for watching.